Hey, this is Alex from AirChatty CRM, and today I want to talk to you about websites and funnels. I want to show you where to find the templates, how to create a new website, and a general overview of the tools that are available for you when you're creating or modifying your websites or your funnels. So let's have a quick look right here onto our dashboard. If we go here on the left side, you have sites, and in sites you have funnels and websites. You should be able to see these very soon. We're gonna push all these templates towards all the sub accounts. They're not a lot, but I think they are absolutely okay for you to start with. In health and wellness, I think you have the most, and you can see the number of templates you have for each website category here if you want. Okay, so let's start with the templates. Let's go to business, for example, and in here you have 4 templates. If you click on, let's say, advisors financial, then you have basically 5 pages that you can work with. Okay, you can take these ones, customize them. They don't have to be for financial. The template is called like this, but you can use it for anything you want. You can completely rewrite the text inside and so on. So what are the first things that you need to do? So in settings here, maybe you want to, select a name and link it up to a domain. Okay, so if I want to link it to this domain now, change the paths, maybe add a favicon URL. You can upload the favorite icon in media here, and then that link you can use it here. Okay, here you can add tracking codes like pixels, whatever, in the head, okay, or in the body. You can have it as a test or as a live website. So these are the settings. In sales here, whatever sales you're gonna make when you link up a product to this funnel or website, you will see them here. In stats, you will see unique stats for page visits, opt-ins, sales, earnings, and page views, and so on by page. And let's go here to pages and try to access one of these templates. So if we go to the 3 dots here, you have settings, clone, products, or delete. If you go here to edit, you have edit page in this current page or in a new tab. Let's go with edit in a new tab. Right, so this is the template. As you can see, is a drag and drop builder. Like, you can do whatever you want and customize it, as long as you know how to use anything from WordPress to Elementor to Oxygen Builder or any other, page builder. You should be pretty familiar with this one too. You have sections here. You can manage your sections. Yes, you can add new sections. You can add new rows in a section, new columns. You can add different elements like headlines, bullet points, buttons, anything you can think of, and that you are used to from a previous website builder. You have them here. Okay, so once you've decided and you've created your website, you're more than happy with it, you will save it. When you save it initially, it will ask you for your metadata, which is pretty much the data that you always want to make sure you have and update in order for Google to find your website, okay, and to get ranking. So now let's go to botwizards.io. We should see this. Oh yeah, we're not seeing, see, although in settings here I selected the domain, I think I didn't save it. There you go. The domain for is here. So I need to go here and select, remember, the page that I want to be displayed. And now I'm going to have it. There you go. Okay. I think if I'm not selecting anything here, let me check something. So let's not select anything there. Save it. Is it gonna work? Refresh a little bit. Yeah, so there's no page linked. Now if I refresh, I get a 404, which is correct. And now if I go back to my website, to settings, sorry, not here, to these settings, and if I select bot wizards here and I click save, some paths are updated due to URL conflicts. Let's see. Refresh. Yeah, it's not gonna work. So the best way to link your domain is by going to settings, to domains, and here pick the pen and then select the template and the page that you want to be displayed on that website. And that's how it's gonna work. All right. Right. So these are websites. Obviously, you have all these templates here, but you can create your own website. If you click new website and let's say call it my page and click create website, and then I can start from scratch and add a new page, and I'm going to call it home. I'm just going to give it a home path. You can also import from ClickFunnels. If you are familiar with ClickFunnels, you can import websites from ClickFunnels here, and then you can use existing, meaning that you can pick up from a template that it's already available here, and use that particular page for your home, and maybe just modify it a little bit. Let's just choose another one. Yeah, maybe just modify it a little bit. Homepage. Okay, or you can completely create from a blank state, where you need to, you need to know a little bit of graphic web design if you want, and just add your own elements here, and you can build your own funnels. Yeah, and you can add new sections, a wide section. I want one column, maybe I want one picture, image. You can go with finding images right here, or you can select images from a different place, like from Unsplash, which are free photo stocks pretty much. Yeah, so let's go with, I don't know, header. I'm gonna give me a header, but there you go. Yeah, I can completely mess up with the settings of this header here. It's right here. So maybe I want it, I want some adding at the top, adding at the bottom, or margin, so and so on. Maybe I want it to have some shadow, or the image to have round corners. There you go, it rounded the corners and so on. So you get it. I mean, this is not a tutorial about me teaching you how to build your website. It's about me showing you what is possible right here. So you have loads of functionalities. Just play up with all these buttons. You also have a mobile version view, so you have desktop view and mobile view right here. You can pop it up and have it in a different different window. You also have the versions here, so once you save this, just save it. Saving now, you have versions. So let's say this is version 1. Okay, but if you work for days in a row and so on, and maybe you want to come back to a different version, then you can do this pretty easily right from here. Restore version, you select that version, you click restore, and that's it. You're going back to that version. Okay, so let's go back to the builder now. Just trying to restore my version. I'm just gonna force it. And yeah, I've created one page, then I can create a new page and so on. You get the idea. All right, now let's quickly go and have a quick look at funnels as well. Sadly, Go High Level doesn't have the templates that I wanted really to, you know, like a full funnel template for you. It doesn't. I found messy ones. Like this one is done by me. Look, like for example, life insurance, only 2 pages in the funnel. Legal Elite, 3 pages in the funnel. Okay, Surfing Paradise, 3 pages. But a funnel normally should have something like a landing page, a sales page, an order page, an upsell page, a downsell page, and a thank you page. So this is how a funnel should look like. Now, each and every one of us are going to build their own funnels here. Obviously, it's pretty easy. Remember how I said you can come up and when you create a new page, you can import maybe a template from a different website. You can do this here as well. So if you click add new step, you go last step, I don't know, I'm just calling it create funnel. Right here it's going to ask me use existing or create from blank. I want to use existing. I'm going to use existing and maybe go here and get a thank you page from this, import, and that's it. I can also create split test. I can create a variation of this page as well. Okay, and you can play up with all these functionalities. You can clone the funnel step and make another one which is pretty similar, but it does something else or it presents something else. And you can also link products to your funnel. Of course, in the order page, you want to link products. So you click add products, and then you can select the products that you've created previously for your for your services or whatever you're selling there. Most likely we're gonna do that products tutorial as well, but till then I want you to play with building up your funnel graphically for now. Okay, and just make sure that it's running nicely. So how do I attach a funnel to my website? So if I go, let's say I'm going to this template funnel landing page. Okay, and here I have settings. So I want to choose a domain. I'm choosing Bot Wizards, and maybe landing that is the page of my funnel where my funnel starts. Okay, I'm saving that. There you go. There wasn't already a page or landing page, that's why it's changed, but it gave me now the name. I can modify this as well. Okay, simply modify it here. Let's go and launch it. So I'm gonna press this button here, and there you go. Okay, so on botwizards.io, simple botwizards.io, I have this financial advisor website, and on /landing page 5486 I have another one. And when I'm going to click and progress, I need to link this button. When I'm going to click on that button, it's gonna link me to the sales page, and when I'm gonna click on the button on the sales page, it's gonna link me to the order page, and so on. So as simple as this. Click on the button, and then what is the button going to do? It's gonna go to next step. Yeah, I'm gonna save this, then go and refresh. Now when I click on this one, it's gonna take me to the next step of the funnel. Okay, it's pretty easy, and I think you guys will be able to develop something pretty nicely in collaboration with UChat as well. When you integrate UChat with AirChatty CRM, when you have all your leads in one place, when you have all these nice things that you can work with, it's impossible not to achieve something great. So I hope you really enjoyed this. I'm going to start pushing all these templates to all of your accounts right now, and you should see them ASAP. Thank you very much, and I wish you a very, very good day. Goodbye.